I'm Paul Walden, standing again for election now with Bex Ballard, Beetle Treadwell and John Mewison. Our communities are keepers of all we treasure on this island. They are the guardians of what we hold dear: our society, our heritage, our economies and our nature. This island must be a place of real democracy. It must be the birthing place of good informed decisions. Decisions that reflect our goals and our aims. This is what will make Waiheke a place to be reckoned with, a community that sends unmistakable signals to the powers that be, signals that ring with one clear message, that Waiheke settles for nothing less than the best. Support for Paul Walden, Bex Ballard, Beetle Treadwell and John Mewison. It's a vote for our communities to maintain the unique identity and be represented in a genuine partnership with Auckland Council.